And we're live. Hello everybody, my name is Steve Levingood. I'm coming to you from Atlanta, Georgia. We're going to walk you through a couple different product lines today.
All right, thank you, Steve. I want to talk to you guys briefly today about our modular conveyor platform. So we've taken these quality proven products that we have, right, with the roller drive, with the control cards and rollers, and we put them into this platform of MCP. So now I'm going to turn it over to Marcus Dorr, who is our global product manager for our modular pallet platform. And we'll let Marcus tell you what he's got over in MECKESHEIM. Marcus.
Yeah, thanks Barry. Welcome here in MECKESHEIM in our MPP test room. I'm Marcus Dorr, the global product manager for this platform, MPP, Modular Pallet Conveyor Platform. We are focusing on pallets with a weight up to 1.2 tons. Besides these core modules, we have some special modules. Now we should have a look and a focus on our transfer car, which is next to me here. We make a small stop here at these roller conveyors. So now we go to our stacker crane. The major goal in development was to keep it easy and simple. So in total now, I hope you get a good overview of MPP, about the strengths of MPP.
All right, thank you. I want to thank everybody for all the great questions.
Thank you from Atlanta. We hope to see you soon, and bye for now.